Welcome to Sierra Farming Videos. We are in a John Deere S680 with a 35-foot grain head on it, flex head. There's the head. We're combining
hard red wheat.
What?
Hard red wheat.
Hard wet wheat. Red wheat. Of course, that thing has to start yakking when we start videoing. It was running quiet till then there, and it's.
Can anybody hear me on this thing?
You're good now. You weren't just a few minutes ago.
Okay. Is that dump trailer loaded, James or Gabe? Or how close is it?
We got hit with
with
hail, right? Twice, right? I got hit twice with hail.
A little rough on them.
So we're chopping the straw.
We're
not putting it in the windrows.
I got another full load on here.
There's the annoying thing beeping at us. Oh, I get no, that's too far away. This thing's making little lines across the screens.
What's Kevin got?
Yeah, there's how you operate them.
What do you mean?
I go closer to that.
That's the GPS.
Yeah, that's GPS there, and I gotta watch how close you get to them. There's all your systems.
That's your settings.
It's too far away. Yeah.
Kevin and
I would have had to hand you the camera. See it there?
Something with combine thinking.
And we're with Killen's custom right now, and that sounded like that might have been David, the boss.
Yeah, I
talking.
was trying to make a
Sorry.
step quick.
Didn't realize we were pointing at the roof. And he's got a radio over here. My radio's over here, and on the passenger side. It's my buddy that's running it. Fortunately, he's on our combine in view right now, so or else I would be filming it. I guess it's going to be a little while until we fill up there. Wouldn't you agree?
Yeah.
Since we just dumped, so it's not going to be too. It's not going to be more than 10 minutes there. Then we should be fine. So yeah, big power in the fields, as farming life would say. Even though the buggy tractor, I don't think it's all that big of horsepower.
Oh, it's 300 something.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it's pretty decent size horsepower. Small buggy though. 600 bushel was it?
825.
Oh, okay. Yeah, 825 bushel. Grain, grain.
It's an underfur.
Oh, sorry, underfur. Grain buggy. If we get close enough, I don't think he'll be back here for any time soon. We still got just that strip over there. Oops, camera dropped. Kind of glad I don't have GPS there, because that would get a little bit irritating to listen to that thing beeping carrying on all for your whole shift. You kind of need it more in wheat fields than you do in bean fields, because you can't really see the individual rows to be able to say how straight you're going. There's a lot of green stuff in here, and as everybody knows, the grain combines do not like green stuff going through them. They don't handle it as well as the bean combines do. And over there is some sweet corn. Maybe we'll get closer to it. I'd be able to show you guys it, but maybe not. And I guess he said somewhere way off over there is a bean field. So maybe we'll be back to this area again, combining beans. If the farmer, if they're dealing with the company that we're dealing with. Because with the beans, we're not hired by the farmer. We're hired by the company, company that they're selling the beans to. Messing a little bit over here.
Thanks, tips.
You're supposed to say Captain Obvious. Noisy cab right now. It's quiet, and all of a sudden we start filming, and the system starts beeping at us, and two-way starts going off. So it always works, isn't it? I guess the two-way is kind of being quiet right now, so let's not jinx it and start yakking about that too much, because it will. And there's it going into the bin. Can't really see that well, but I have to climb up top in order to get it, in order to get a good view of it. But since these are not my machines, I'm not going to go climbing around on top of them there while they're moving, because that would not be a good idea. He's cleaning up his mess from earlier. He's being a messy combine operator. That was a bad time to point down the camera, wasn't it? At the header. Have a nice day, and talk to you guys later. Here's a closing scene.